Are you looking to learn web development or become a web developer? Well, you've come to the right place. Check out this video to get some of the best free web development courses. The best place to begin getting a feel for how development works are the numerous free, self-guided online web development courses that cover everything from basic programming introductions to development best practices. Here are top 5 free websites to learn web development for beginners. Alison. Alison is a brilliant online learning platform developed by Mike Ferrick. It is one of the best places to go for no-cost online web development courses with certifications, and this free course is no exception. It covers HTML, cascading style sheets, and Dreamweaver, and takes just 3 to 4 hours to complete. There are 4 modules covering 11 topics in this short course. The fourth module is an online assessment. It offers courses to all levels, right from beginners to advanced level. It will help you learn features like rounded corners, shadows, gradients, transitions or animations, as well as useful layouts like multi-column, flexible boxes, or grid layouts. It will also help you style and format web pages in a precise and professional manner. Udemy. Udemy is a global marketplace for learning and instruction. It helps by connecting students all over the world with the best instructors. Udemy helps individuals reach their goals and pursue their dreams. It helps you search the name, duration, language, and even offers courses to people at different levels, whether they are beginners or intermediate level people or experts. There are 4 learning modules in this course: HTML, CSS, a code challenge final, and a course project code challenges. Quizzes and hands-on exercises will help you retain the information you've learned. And the best part is that it won't cost you a dime. It is strongly recommended by many of its courses' former students. Coursera. Coursera is one of the top free online learning platforms for technology, and this course can be taken in audit mode at no charge. If you opt for the paid version, you will unlock a final capstone project and certification. If you really need the certification but can't afford it, you can apply for financial aid on the site. One of the great things about this free introductory web development course is that you won't just be learning theory. You will actually be applying the lessons to real-life projects. Naturally, you will learn about networks, the internet, websites, and hosting, which will give you a broad overview of the topic. It will help you learn the basics of HTML to design your own website, how to use JavaScript, and how to create simple programs, using CSS properties to control layouts, fonts, colors, and more, creating HTML forms, creating web applications. Code Academy. Code Academy is the ideal place for aspiring developers to start. Their web development career path covers HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and React. Plus, you will also learn the command line, JIT, SQL, and databases, front, back-end development, and more. There are 14 courses packed into the learning track, and you can complete the lessons at no charge. A pro membership on the platform gives students 1 month of free access, the ability to save projects, and official certification. It's around $20 a month if you choose the pro option. However, there is plenty of material in the free lessons to get what you came for. Another advantage of Code Academy is their free and open forums. It is one of the best free online coding resources on the web. It has excellent user interface and it is very comprehensive too. The only con is that the students who opt for the free version will need to save their projects on their own computer or in GitHub to avoid losing them. Open Classrooms. Open Classrooms is one of Europe's top learning platforms, and they offer both free and paid courses in web development, design, and project management. Registration is free, and you can follow any of the offered courses at no charge. Upgrading to a premium membership will give you access to certifications, and a premium plus membership can earn you a bachelor's degree in your course of study. With open classrooms, you can earn bachelor's and master's level diplomas in web development, data, IT, project management, and many more. They also teach crucial soft skills such as working effectively in teams, public speaking, and learning how to learn efficiently, among others. Open classrooms will help you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python bases, and many more.